12ish?
April 28th.
Oh, I'll be there longer than that. Yeah,
Okay,
9 till like.
Oh, it's called the whole. His is called
Ron,
the
nice to meet you. Savon? Yeah, definitely come out. That should be good. The problem is we were just talking about, since it's their the first opening of the year, might be crowded. I don't care. You know, if I get a couple passes in for $20, I mean, that's, you know.
You get 2 or 3 in.
Yeah. So and if we get this turnout there, having all these Mopars and you get the Viper side by side going down, yeah, that would be a good thing. That would be a good time.
Now, where yours is? Yours the black.
I'm all the way down on the left. Like when I got here late, and this whole side was almost full already. I parked down there, and there was nobody on that side except the Viper and the Porsche. And then now, I mean, holy crap!
It's turning.
Yeah, right. It's almost like every. No, it's going to be cold this weekend. More people. Yeah, I was telling people they bring the kids, the wives. We just gave out toy cars. I went to Target this morning, and they were selling demons. Toy like demons. I wiped out the whole section. I said, "Give me all the demons." That way, the kids have something to look forward to when they come out and ain't annoying the parents.
Distracted. What's that?
That's a guy
Robert Wolf?
holding the
thing. That's in April at Cecil.
April 7th.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've
Well,
never been to
Ryan
Cecil.
saw it.
Check that
The
out.
one that I'm thinking was April 28th. That's the whole.
He's going to do donuts.
With the demons.
That?
Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Was this like a random guy just wanting to get something to eat? That's hilarious.
Probably didn't get anything because it was here like 5 minutes.
Cecil is Maryland, right?
Yeah. It's great on that.
It's like right there, right next to the woods.
It's like 100 miles from me. Well, like driving here for me.
It was like an hour. It was like an hour.
He's gonna come up tomorrow because I'm feeding him. Right over to
I was even looking if there was something to do. Just stay down here.
Each way. It wasn't bad.
We for work drive 100 miles. I drive 100. He's like 120 each way for work, and that's why on the weekends I'm like, he's like, you want to go, and I'm like, another 100 miles each way. No, I don't want to, but I'll go. I'm telling the guy that works for food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a long commute. I go down to 13 stairs.
Oh,
I commute about 15 seconds.
from here and
It's about
get
a
a
minute
picture
before I
of
buy
all
a
the
coffee.
factories.
Yeah, that's a good idea to find out how many different states. I saw Maryland. I saw Florida.
Yeah, I saw Washington State.
Oh, the guy down there. Yeah. Yeah, they were the guy with the Viper. I knew him from the coffee down here. Every Saturday, they have a Cards of Coffee right down the road from here, and it starts at 8:00 in the morning. I'll tell you what. Yeah, thank you. That's too early. That's
There's no too early.
I've done it like 3 times,
I was
and I get there
washing
and I'm
my
like,
Jeep
yo,
at
man,
like
But you
5:30,
gotta start
6
every 2 weeks.
every 2 weeks.
That's perfect.
And
And
that
you
way,
wake up every morning
you
at
can't
3,
you ain't missing out.
for work.
Because you know what's
On
going to
the
happen again in
weekends,
2
I'm
weeks,
up at 5
and
going
there may
crazy
be a
because
Saturday
I'm
I can't make it, you know?
I have some women that better than
Oh, man.
I'm doing the track Saturdays.
Wait,
I
I'm
figured
quick,
for the
I'm
season
the most
opener,
productive
since
in the
we're
morning.
picking a new location, they got a place you can eat there. So we might as well just do,
yeah, no way.
in 2 weeks,
Yeah, I usually
go.
go back
Just
to-
get it out of the way, and then like every other meet, if we want to go to a track, it's just a big hit, we'll just meet at the track. Or we'll do, you know, test and tunes are hard because not every Saturday they have them. You know? So you got to look at the calendar.
Yeah, I know.
Like this coming that Saturday, March 9th, they have something racing and open test and tunes. So you have to still look. Sunday, it's all open test. I like that. Everybody just line up and go. Yeah, pretty much. That's all I want. I just want to get a good base on.
Things like 4.
Sounds good. That sounds good. What's that? Yes. He said Saturday. He said he's going to be there. He said he's going to be there both days.
It's the same exact.
Oh, that's all I want to see.
I was just at Custom Coatings picking up.
Look, Peyton knows.
Let me give out everybody a card for Custom Coatings for. This is Joe, the guy that does all my work. He's over in Pennsauken. If you need vinyl, paint, anything done like that, oh yeah, this is the guy with the bag. It is. Watch this. Go. There he goes.
You don't like driving. Yeah, he's out. If it's further than 10 minutes, hell of a distance to get here.
Okay, I was wondering about that.
We made fun of the people with the least glasses.
Bagged Jeep SRT.
Gentlemen, little Mopar sheets, man. How was that the two? What's up, man? What's going on?
Does he paint vehicles? He does everything. This is, I know John. This is the guy. That's the guy who does all the work on my vehicle. Okay.
This is Troy. You mind me recording you?
Nah, you good.
There you go.
Watches the channel.
I'm making sure everybody has his card. Okay.
Put some bags in there.
That's one thing that I'll be scared to do, man.
You come down by yourself?
Yeah, these guys.
Yeah, it just looks good.
Okay.
Damn good.
So this is actually his car, so I tried to I'm just his driver, talk to him.
Oh, that's hilarious.
What's going on? Steve. All right, nice to meet you.
How you doing? Tape on.
Make sure I get these out real fast. Every 2 weeks? Really? And then after that, you know what? I don't care if I'm going slow.
The fake green.
Oh, you know what?
I ordered the whole front end.
Talking about the springs? The same, where is it? The hood, the gray hood. He's got the iBot Pro. You don't need an alignment afterwards. You don't need to add anything else. No, that's another thing.
Don't start it.
Because I was out there doing it and it wouldn't work.
I just bought, but I had them for my last week.
I was on YouTube looking at the dude.
Yeah, that's
doing
what I learned my food.
Wait, you saw him at the deal?
No, I ordered them offline. I ordered mine.
Yeah, well, I got to film it. So now you're like, yeah.
I just noticed that I believe they put my tire on wrong. Yep, they got the tire on backwards. I gotta go back there and tell them to flip it. Yep. Got the tire on backwards. That's crazy. I don't know why I ain't checked that before I left.
wrap vinyl, anything like that, or these are really, really good. I stopped by there earlier. Here's up at Durango. Got that lip put on. He was over there.
Yeah, thanks for ordering. I think that's right.
Got the racing seat belts.
Oh, I have to check that out. Dude, I gotta get on.
It's red interior. It's crazy. If I get a truck, I'm gonna refuse to settle for one that doesn't have the red leather interior. Refuse. I'm not gonna get the suede interior just because. Nope. If it doesn't have the red leather interior, I don't want it. It's pretty good turnout. East Coast Jeep SRT put this together. Came out pretty nice. It's crazy how many people, you know, what YouTube can do to bring people together. Then in the back you have the lone BMW and Porsche. Foreigners. I got your papers for your immigration papers.
You don't ever want to see anybody. We're missing people now.
The shop goes, yeah, we did. We get enough
Challenges. Nice turnout, pretty good, pretty good. One more quick walkthrough. I gotta get out of here. Got a birthday dinner to go to with the wife and some friends.
You know, it's like, just like them doing the highlight. You know, it's like. They didn't even know what the turn was. When I went. The cops are coming. She's cracking up. I'm like, I think we like,
okay,
we gotta stop this.
We're not forcing you to stop. The same way.
Even though we had some of them that we've missed them. So when you get that one,
This Viper is crazy. Can't see in. Jeez. I almost dropped my phone just now. That would have been a bad look if my screen would have cracked.
I'm in the house, like, I'm outside.
but it's
Alright, y'all, so that's a wrap. I'm about to get up out of here. It is cold. I'm cold, nose running and all that. It's crazy. Anyway, that's about it. About to move on out of here. Go pick up my wife. Then we gotta go to a birthday dinner with some friends of ours. Tell you one thing, married men in relationships, good thing to do is to have friends who are also married and in relationships. Trust me, having friends that are also married and in relationships while you are in one helps a lot. Trust me. Alright, until next time, y'all. Looks like everybody's about to head up out of here. This Mustang exhaust here is super loud. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all.